Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss chapter 12 Heron's formula, example 12.2, question number 1. Park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, angle C equals to 90 degree. This angle is what? 90 degree. Continue. I am telling you the question. How much area does it occupy? How much area does it occupy? So this is the question. We have to solve this question. So how we solve this question? This one is a right angle triangle. This half portion is a right angle triangle. Correct? This complete we can say it's a parallelogram, and this one is a right angle triangle. So, and this is a triangle. So what we will do, with the help of half base and height, correct, we are able to find this triangle, area of this triangle, half into base into height, because the opposite is what? Opposite of 90 is hypotenuse. First thing. Second thing, we have to find the area of this triangle. Correct? For this we want the measurement of this third side. So how we find the measurement of this third side? By using Pythagoras theorem. We will find the area by using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle, first we are finding in triangle C, in triangle DCB, in triangle DCB, using Pythagoras theorem. We know that what is Pythagoras theorem? That is h square equals to p square plus b square. H we don't know, so that is h square equals to p. Take this one, 5 ka square plus 12 ka square. So h square equals to 25 plus 144. 5 ka square 25, 12 ka square 144. When we add this one, we got h square equals to 169. H is equals to under root 169. So this is the perfect square of 13. So h is equals to what? 13. H is equals to what? This one is 13. See, this is h and h is what? 13. Means the measurement of this side is 13. The question says find how much area does it. This complete area question wants the area of this complete figure. First we find the area of this half portion. So area of triangle DCB. So this is right angle triangle, so it is equals to half into base into height. So that is equals to half into 5 into 12. So 1 to 2, 6 to the 12, 5 6 are 30. So what we got? 30 centimeter, centimeter, 30 meter, sorry. So 30 meter square, 30 meter square. Understood? Now we have to find the area of this triangle. We are having the measurement of the three sides, correct? Measurement of the three sides. So we know that area of triangle ADB using Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Correct? First we have to find S. So S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that is 8 plus 13 plus 9 divided by 2. Okay? 8 plus 13 plus 9 divided by 2. So 13 plus 1 23. 1 come 22. 22 plus 8 will be 30. So 30 divided by 2. So what we got? We got 15. So what is the value of S? The value of S is equals to 15 meter. Now we have to find area. So area of triangle ADB equals to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equals to under root S. What is the value of S? 15. So 15 minus, first side is suppose 9. You can take 9. 15 minus, take 8. Third one is 15 minus 13. So it is equals to under root 15 multiplied by 15 minus 9, we got 6. Multiplied by 15 minus 8, we got 7. Correct? After that multiply 15 minus 13, we got 2. Now we have to solve this root. So break each and every value in the simplest form. So 15 I can write 5 into 3. 5 into 3 we got 15. This 6 I can write 3 into 2 into 7 into 2. Now see the pairing. This 3 is having one pairing, so 3 comes out. This 2 is having one pairing, so into 2 comes out. What is left? Under root 7 and 5. 7 is there inside and 5 is there. So 7 5s are 35. So what we got finally? 6 under root 35. Now total area of parallelogram, total area of parallelogram A, B, C, D, correct, equals to parallelogram A, B, C, D, so equals to area of triangle D, B, C, that is this one, correct, plus area of triangle ADB, that is this one, ADB, half. So that is equals to 6 under root 35 plus 30. This one is the answer, correct. You cannot add root without root. So what is the answer? The answer is 6 under root 35 plus 30. Thank you.